Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you all doing? I hope you are doing well. This is Muhammad Rashid, your math teacher from Hira Public School, Fadgudiya Ambari Azamgarh. Dear students, in last video we have solved exercise 3.1 which is on addition. Today we are going to learn about addition of 3 or more numbers, finding the missing digits, estimate the sum and solving some word problems. Shall I start? Okay. Addition of 3 or more numbers. So the first question is add 6,34,925, 1,47,156, 79,685 and 1,03,219. So first we will write the first number, that is 6,34,925. So we start writing from the right side, means from the ones place to lakh place. So first we will write 5, 2, after that 9, 4, 3 and in last 6. The next number is 6, 5, 1, 7, 4 and 1 in last. And the next one is 5, 8, 6, 9, 7. And the last one is 9, 1, 2, 3, 0 and 1. Now we are going to add these numbers. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 5, 16. And 16 plus 9 is equal to 25. We write only 5 in the ones place and we take 2 as carry. इस 2 को हम क्या करेंगे, कैरी के फॉर्म में ले लेंगे और इस 5 को वंस प्लेस पे लिख देंगे. सो 5 प्लस 6 11, 11 प्लस 5 16 एंड इन लास्ट 16 प्लस 9 25. सो 25 में हम 5 को यहाँ पे वंस प्लेस पे लिखेंगे और 2 हमारा क्या हो जाएगा, कैरी हो जाएगा. 25 कैरी 2. 5 to 7, 7 8 15, 15 plus 1 16 and 2 carry 18 and carry 1. 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 6 16, 16 plus 2 18 and 18 plus 1 19 and carry 1. 4 plus 7 11, 4 plus 7 is equal to 11 and 11 plus 9 is equal to 20 and 20 plus 3 equal to 23 and carry 1 is equal to 24 and we get carry 2. 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 7 is equal to 14, 14 plus 0 is equal to 14 and 14 plus carry 2 is equal to 16 and carry 1. 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 1 8 and carry 1 is equal to 9. So your answer is 9,64,985. In this way you will add 3 or more numbers. In addition, how to find the missing digits? Let's see. We start finding the missing digits from the ones place. If you look at the ones place, here is 4 and in sum we get 1 and in sum we get 1. So which number should be added in 4 to get 1? So if we add 4 plus 5, then we get 9. If we add 6, we get 10. And if we add 7, we get 11. So 7 is that number which should be added in 4 to get 1. So if we put 7 in this box, then we get a carry also. So we put the carry top of the number. Now 5 plus 1 carry 6. 5 plus 1 carry 6. Now which number should be added in 6 to get 4? So that number is 5 plus 6, 8. 6, 8, 14. 14. Here we write 4 and take 1 carry. Now 3 plus carry 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. This is 6. Now we move to the thousand place. Here which number should be added in 6 to get 8? So that number is 2. 6 to 8. Which number should be added in 1 to get 6? That number is 5. So we get 5, 2, 6, 8, 7 as the missing digits. Let's take another example. Find the missing digits. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. So in 4 numbers, how to find the missing digits? Let's see. 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. And which number we have to add in 3 to get 9? So that number is 6. If we add 6 in 3, then we get 9. 6 plus 0 is equal to 6. And which number should be added in 6 to get 8? So that number is 2. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. 3 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. And what number should be added in 5 to get 8? So that is 3. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, and 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Now we move to thousand place. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So what number should be added in 5 to get 9? So that number is 4. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Now we move to 10,000s place. 5 plus 0 is equal to 5, and if we write 3 here, we get 5, 3, 8 as sum. Now we move to lakhs place. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7, and what number should be added in 7 to get 8? That number is 1. So in this question there are many missing digits, that are 1, 3, 4, 3, 2 and 6. Now we learn about estimating the sum. So the meaning of estimating sum means rounding off the given number to the nearest 10, 100 and 1000, and then adding the numbers obtained. Let us clear with an example how to estimate the sum. Now we are going to solve a problem on estimating the sum. The question is, a box contains 2645 red balls, 1378 blue balls and 1798 green balls. How many balls are there in the box? Calculate using estimation method by rounding off to the nearest 100. Check whether the estimated sum is close to the actual sum or not. So first we have to round off these numbers to the nearest 100. After that, the value what we get after rounding off, we have to add that number. In last, we have to find the actual sum. Actual sum means we have to add the number as it is. First, we are going to round off the numbers. So first number is 2645. Rounding off nearest 100. Okay, so in 100 there are 2 zeros, and this is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place, and this is thousand place. So we compare the digit which is in the tens place, because we are going to round off the number to the nearest 100. So we know that 4 is less than 5. So no need to add any number to the next digit. So we will write the next digit as it is. So this is 6 and 2. The second number is 1378. So in 100 there are 2 zeros. Now we compare the number which is in the tens place. So 7 is greater than 5. So we will add 1 in the hundreds place. So here we get 3. So if we add 1, we get 4. Okay, so we get two values after round off, 2600 and 1400. Now we are going to round up the last number. The last number is 1798. Okay, 1 0 and 2 0. So if we look at the tens place, here is 9. So 9 is greater than 5. So we have to add 1 in the hundreds place. So 7 plus 1 is equal to 8 and 1. So this is 1800. Now we are going to find the estimate sum. So the first number is 2600 plus 1400 and 1800. 0 0 0 is equal to 0. Here also 0 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 6 plus 4 10 and plus 8. 10 plus 8 is equal to 18, carry 1. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4, and if we add 1 carry we get 5. So your estimate sum is 5800. Now we have to find the actual sum of the balls. 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. 13 plus 8 is equal to 21. So we write 1 in the ones place and 2, take 2 as a carry. 4 plus 7 is equal to 11, and 11 plus 9 is equal to 20. And if we add 2 in 20, we get 22, and we get 2 as a carry. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9, and 9 plus 7 is equal to 16, and plus 2 carry is equal to 18, and we get 1 carry. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, and 3 plus 1 is equal to 4, and if we add 1 carry in 4 we get 5. So your actual sum is 5821. This is 5800 and this is 5821. So the difference is 21.